Dear ladies and gentlemen, welcome to our today's webinar. My name is Thomas Dahmen and we are glad to see that you all took the time to join us. Siempelkamp Logistics and Service, SLS for short, is responsible for the worldwide after-sales service within the Siempelkamp Group. We offer comprehensive modernizations and retrofit solutions, modern industrial IT products, maintenance services, and of course, our 24/7 remote service and on-site troubleshooting support. The supply of the correct spare parts is of central importance for every plant operator. We are the original equipment supplier and we have invested a lot to develop our spare parts division since the SLS was founded back in 2010. This includes the construction of our modern logistics center, operating a special warehouse software with worldwide access on a 24/7 basis. Extremely important for us is the constant development of our global setup. We have grown continuously over the past years. Today we have more than 160 employees in our 3 German locations. Furthermore, we are providing a large worldwide network of specialists at your disposal, not only in the spare parts sector, but also providing solutions for all after-sales issues. In the coming years, we will continue to strengthen our relationship to our customers and develop our international sales and service network. Continuous improvement of our processes and optimization of digital tools will also lead to even more efficiency, all to the benefit of our customers. We are constantly developing and intensifying our services with a target to avoid any downtime of our customers' plants. And now I would like to give the floor to Armin Lingen and Niklas Willmann.
Thank you, Mr. Dahmen. Dear ladies and gentlemen, my name is Armin Lingen and I am the head of the spare parts department of Siempelkamp Logistics and Service. We are happy to welcome you to our webinar. Today we want to answer how Siempelkamp Lifecycle Services ensure safe production and high uptimes. But first, let me introduce you to our senior sales expert, Niklas Willmann, who will share his expertise with us. He has more than 15 years of experience in this field and I have the pleasure to moderate today's session with him.
Thank you, Armin. I'm happy to be here. Today, we would like to show you how you can benefit from our services.
Siempelkamp Lifecycle Services means, among other things, supplying our customers with original spare parts for the entire service life of the plant. This doesn't sound like much, but there is much more to it than one might first assume. Our work starts even before the plant is in operation. Our goal is to ensure that you can maintain safe production right from the start. We compile a detailed spare parts list for all the plant sections we supply. This list contains all spare parts with prices and delivery times. In addition, the parts are marked according to installation location and importance. For example, the spare parts which failure will lead to plant downtime.
Now my colleagues and I come into play. The important thing is to provide support based on our many years of experience. We make recommendations and discuss them in detail with you, our customer. In any case, the failure-critical spare parts should be stocked on site. We specify spare parts that we have in stock as standard, so that you can optimize your own stocks. In this dialogue, we always find a solution to make the best use of your available budget. As agreed with you, and no matter where in the world, the spare parts are delivered to your site at the start of production.
Our strengths are not only the Siempelkamp manufactured parts, but also the original merchandise and standard items which we supply at competitive prices. More than 60% of our current business is based on merchandise and standard items. This allows you to purchase all original parts directly from us. Many customers take advantage of this and thus minimize the number of suppliers and the time and effort in your purchasing department.
Our team is active worldwide. With our local representatives, we visit you on site. We provide our consulting services in almost all local languages. Communication is important to us. Contact us at any time. During the following period, we support you in your daily business and with technical queries. We visit you on a regular basis. When the first signs of wear appear, we are at your side with help and advice and will notify you when wear limits have been reached. We carry out needs analysis on site with qualified personnel. This keeps plant availability high.
Our expert sales force is supported by more than 50 service technicians worldwide. Their qualifications are very diverse. We have experienced specialists in the area of technology, mechanics, electrics, and hydraulics. The focus is on ensuring production.
We have comprehensive know-how and take a holistic approach to spare parts requirements. Together with you, we plan the shutdowns. The goal is to produce without disruptions between scheduled maintenance stops. On request, we supply complete spare parts packages with all necessary parts for all planned jobs. This is a special service because we relieve you of the time-consuming planning and preparation work. We guarantee that the packages are complete and can be used directly at the corresponding workstations. So the already limited downtime can be used optimally. This is one of the features that distinguishes us from the pure spare parts suppliers.
We supply original spare parts and guarantee that our scope of supply is ready to fit in your plant and state of the art. This is what Siempelkamp stands for. To reduce delivery times, we established a large logistics center 4 years ago. Here we stock spare parts with a total value of more than 10 million euro on an area of 7,000 square meters. We have 3 fully automatic Cardex systems in which we have direct access to small components. In addition, we have a large block floor storage for heavy parts and pallet rack storage for all other items. The spectrum ranges from small parts weighing less than 1 gram to large components with an individual weight of several tons. The installed overhead crane has a lifting capacity of 32 tons.
We have a wide variety of items available from stock. The stock items are constantly reviewed and their quantity is adjusted according to their demand. It is important to us that we are able to deliver complete spare part sets from stock. Your advantage is that you receive all necessary spare parts for the overhaul of complete assemblies with one order item and that from stock. This saves process costs and simplifies the handling of the parts on site.
If spare parts are needed quickly in an emergency, we organize special transports, even 24/7 if necessary. As a known consignor, we can bring the goods directly from our warehouse to the aircraft without security checks at the airport. We see ourselves as a logistic partner and are optimally positioned for worldwide deliveries. We have specialized teams that organize exports to all countries. As an approved and authorized exporter, customs clearance is routine. In addition, we are a registered importer for deliveries to the USA.
Another advantage of our warehousing is that you can optimize your own stock. We stock every item that turns at least 3 times in a 24-month time frame. This enables us to supply components from stock beyond your regular requirements. This reduces your own storage costs and minimizes the risk of obsolete goods at your own warehouse.
Siempelkamp builds very robust plants which produce reliably for decades. We support plants that have been in operation for 60 years and longer. We also offer inspections for these plants and regularly supply spare parts. Our history shows us which items we have supplied over the years. Due to our good documentation situation, we still have the specifications of the parts used.
This enables us to identify the right spare parts even after this long period of time and, if necessary, to supply their later model. We inform you in advance about discontinuations of important components. If a one-to-one exchange of parts is not possible, we will work out alternative solutions. For this purpose, we have specialized technicians who develop several 100 solutions per year. For every plant age, we plan and organize major repairs and the replacement of major components with you. If desired, we can take over the supervision of the installation and even the complete installation service with full labor.
To further optimize costs, we automate recurring business processes. The keyword here is EDI, Electronic Data Interchange. This process is suitable for automating administrative and recurring tasks. For example, for the ordering process of standard spare parts. Apart from the interface itself, the only requirement is the matching of master data, such as article numbers, price and price validity, delivery time, Incoterm, terms of payment, etc. This data is stored in both ERP systems and must be kept the same, for example by means of an annual update.
The EDI interface and the fully automated ordering process result in significantly reduced process costs. Reconciled article and price lists eliminate the need for individual price inquiries and the associated delays. Furthermore, all required spare parts can be purchased at competitive prices through SLS. Many of them are in stock. In addition to the benefits of the automated ordering process, this also reduces the number of suppliers. Another cost advantage for you.
We have given you an overview of the Siempelkamp Lifecycle Service for spare parts. The focus is on your benefit, ensuring production and high plant availability. We would like to summarize our services and the benefits for you once again.
Number 1. Optimal use of downtime by compiling individual spare part sets. 2. Short delivery times due to wide range of spare parts in stock. 3. Fast worldwide deliveries as a specialized logistics partner. 4. 24/7 emergency deliveries. 5. On-site support through worldwide presence. 6. Support over the entire life cycle of the plant. And 7. More than 50 qualified service technicians worldwide.
Other advantages of a close cooperation are savings in process costs through EDI interface, competitive prices. 60% of our supplies are merchandise and standard items. Cost savings in purchasing through the reduction of suppliers. This was an insight into our spare parts service. If you have any further requirements, we will be happy to discuss them with you and expand our services. And now, we are looking forward to any questions you might have.